Shibanta bankan mau burom ya ki pulit ki bala aiti iala ka jingim na ka banta kari ha ka kam ka baki syakri ki pulit kari bhoi menta ka sngi ka arpoi trik risau ki la penlong ya ka program ka bakerpang ban Pynkup burom ya ki pulit ki bala aiti iala ka jingim ka bala tip kum ka police commemoration day ya kane ka jigrakhe la penlong ha office u superintendent of police hanungpo ha ka balawan mat sakilang da ki bahai ngasem jong ki pulit ki bala klatno bat aiti iala ka jingim da ka balik bu sentiu bat ka jing penon burom ya ki pulit bat ki bahaying ha ka ne ka sngi la sakilang do senior superintendent of police ka Ri Bhoi u VS Rathor over Orville Masar additional superintendent of police rangkat ki pulit na keleng ka Ri Bhoi bat hadin ka jinglai bu sentiu na kaliang ki pulit kila siat ru da ki suloi laisin chejrong kum ka dak ka jing penon burom bat sngongu ya ka jing chakri jong ki to ki pulit ki bla IT ya la ka jing im na kaliang ki pulit ka Ri Bhoi district la IT ru da ki momentos cheki bahaying hasem kum ka jingsa kan mau halor ka kam kaba kila syakri bat IT na ka benta gari
Constable Anil Yadav, Maharashtra Constable Mahesh Kavadu Nagulwar, from Manipur Sub-Inspector Muhammad Shah Jahan, Constable Soibam Sanjit Singh, Rifleman TH Warinmi, Nagaland Constable Chandan Das, from Odisha Constable Lakshman Majhi, Odisha Auxiliary Police Force Loknath Sabar, from Punjab Sub-Inspector Charanjit Singh, ASI Dhanwant Singh, Constable Harshveer Singh, from Rajasthan ASI Surinder Kumar, Head Constable Prashadi Lal, Head Constable Prahlad Ram, Constable Atar Singh, Constable Ram Singh, Constable Dev Narayan Gurjar, Constable Akshay Kumar, Tamil Nadu Sub-Inspector M. Mercy, Sub-Inspector V. Sarvanan, Special Sub-Inspector P. Vijay Kumar, Special Sub-Inspector M. Sanu Gavel, Head Constable C. Srinuvasan, Head Constable S. Jasmine Milton Raj. From Telangana, Assistant Commandant Banath Jawaharlal, Constable T. Sandeep, Constable V. Sridhar, Constable N. Pavan Kalyan, Constable B. Saidulu. From Tripura, Sub-Inspector David Darlong, Rifleman Milan Dev Burma. From Uttar Pradesh, Inspector Company Commander Sunil Kumar, Head Constable Durgesh Kumar Singh, Constable Saurabh Kumar. From Uttarakhand, Additional Platoon Commander Pushkar Chandra Joshi, Additional Sub-Inspector Sanjeev Nayan Jaguri, Constable Dhanraj, Constable Gokul Lal. From West Bengal, Sub-Inspector Subhash Chandra Roy, Sub-Inspector Raj Kumar Karmakar, Sub-Inspector Subhash Chandra Biswas, these troops at Hot Springs, Ladakh. Since then, October 21 is observed as Police Commemoration Day every year. In recognition of the sacrifices made by police personnel and their paramount role in preserving national security and integrity, the Government of India, led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, had dedicated to the nation the National Police Memorial at Chanakyapuri, New Delhi on Police Commemoration Day 2018. The museum is conceptualized as a historical and evolving exhibition on policing in India. It is open to public on all days except Mondays. CAPFs organized band display, parade and retreat ceremony at the National Police Memorial on every Saturday and Sunday in the evening, starting 1 hour prior to sunset. The memorial gives police forces a sense of national identity, pride, unity of purpose, common history and destiny, besides reinforcing their commitment to protect the nation even at the cost of their lives. It comprises a central sculpture, a wall of valor and a museum. The central sculpture, which is a 30 feet high granite monolith cenotaph, stands for strength, resilience and selfless services of police personnel. The wall of valor, on which the names of martyrs are engraved, stands as a steadfast acknowledgement of the bravery and sacrifice of police personnel who have laid down their lives in the line of duty since independence. As a part of remembrances, CAPFs, CPOs organize various commemorative events at National Police Memorial from October 22nd to October 30th, which include visits of family members of the one who laid down their lives, police band display, motorcycle rallies, run for martyrs, blood donation camps, essay painting competition for children, and display of video films showcasing their sacrifice, valor, and services of police personnel. Similar programs are organized by all the police forces across the country during this period. Today's program is one such program which is being held at Ri Bhoi DEF SP's office come Police Reserve. Now, I'll read out the names of police personnel who attained martyrdom during the period from 1st September 2024 to 31st August 2025. From Andhra Pradesh, DYSP M. Chakradhar Rao, DYSP J. Shantha Rao, Sub-Inspector M. Ashok, Constable S. Belshan Jeevan, Constable M. R. Koteshwara Rao. From Arunachal Pradesh, Constable Thutan Sering. From Assam, Propi Sub-Inspector Archana Devi, Lance Nayak Himanshu Shaharia. From Bihar, Sub-Inspector Pritam Rajak, ASI Rajiv Ranjan Mal, ASI Jitendra Kumar Singh, Havaldar Mithilesh Kumar, Constable Shekhar Paswan, Constable Ashok Kumar Bhagat, Constable Ravikant Kumar, Constable Komal Kumari. From Chhattisgarh, Additional SP Akash Rao Giripunje, Head Constable Virendra Kumar Shori, Head Constable Sanu Karam, Head Constable Budram Korsa, Head Constable Naresh Kumar Dhruv, Constable Baman Sodhi, Constable Dumma Madkami, Constable Pandru Poyam, Constable Bastar Fighter Somdu Vetti, Constable Bastar Fighter Sudarshan Vetti, Constable Bastar Fighter Subarnath Yadav, Constable Bastar Fighter Harish, Constable Wasit Kumar Rawate, Constable Raju Oyam, Constable Manoj Kumar, Constable Dinesh Nag. From Gujarat, Sub-Inspector Jahid Khan Munsaf Khan Pathan, Sub-Inspector Sachin Rajkumar Sharma, Constable Viral Ben Harji Bhai Rabari. From Jharkhand, Constable Sunil Dhan. From Karnataka, Sub-Inspector Mahbub Gudalin, ASI Venkat Chalapathy KN, Assistant Reserve SI Girish S, Civil Head Constable Basavaraj M, Armed Head Constable Ningaraju TS, Special Reserve Head Constable Prakash BU, Head Constable Mahesh NR, Armed Police Constable Ramappa Pujari. From Kerala, Driver Civil Police Officer Shyam Prasad. From Madhya Pradesh, Inspector Sanjay Pathak, Inspector Ramesh Kumar Dhurve, ASI Ram Charan Gautam, ASI Mahesh Kumar Kori, Head Constable Santosh Kuswaha, Head Constable Prince Garg, Head Constable Abhishek Sinde, Head Constable Govind Patel,